Hey, assalamu alaikum people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and fine. So today I am back with a new recipe that is called date syrup dumplings. So first we need for that is maida, and then we'll measure it with some measuring spoons. So after deciding that we're gonna make dumplings, and then we looked in the kitchen that there were no date syrup in our kitchen. So we ordered online on Zepto. So first we need 2 cups of maida, the date syrup is here. The first ingredient goes is yeast and then salt, followed by some sugar. No recipe is complete with oil, so 1.5 tablespoon of oil.
Two thousand years later.
So this is the final result of the dumplings. They are so crispy and soft. They are crispy on the other side and the soft on the other side. So they are really tasty. If you try it, you'll be really satisfied with it. So this is it. The recipe is just this and nothing else, and the topping is also on your choice. That if you like it sour, you can also top with it something really sour, and if you like it sweet, you can also top it with date syrup, sugar syrup, rose syrup, everything you like. So this is just the recipe and nothing else. So we're gonna put plain date syrup on it, and it will be really tasty. And if you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And do I do recommend this to have you guys in iftar, and you'll be really happy for it. And this is the final look. You'll just top it with some date syrup and eat it.